How to create PayPal account. In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account. So to get started, go ahead and open paypal.com into your browser, and then in here, click on the sign up button. So first, you need to select if you want to sign up for an account using a personal account or a business account, and then click on the sign up button. Then in here, you need to select the type of account that you want to create on PayPal. So you can create a personal or business account on PayPal. So for a personal account, you can send, spend, and manage your money all from one application. Now, as for business accounts, you can get paid online, in store, or on the go, and collect donations with this account. This will allow you to help grow your business as well. Now, for example, I want to create a personal account. I'll simply select personal and then click on get started. And then in here, go ahead and select the country or region that you're currently in, and then click on get started. And then in here, go ahead and enter the email address that you want to use to create a PayPal account. And then click on the next button. And then on the next section, you need to enter the phone number that you want to use to register this account. And then click on next. And then in here, you need to confirm your phone number. So PayPal will send an OTP on the phone number that you've just entered. So enter the OTP that you've just received in here. And then in here, you need to create a password for your PayPal account. So the password should be 8 to 20 characters, and you need to use the following. You need to use two of the following, such as letters, numbers, or symbols. So once you have created an account, you can go ahead and proceed on your dashboard. Now, to be able to receive payments on PayPal, you need to go ahead and verify your account on PayPal. So to verify your account on PayPal, you need to provide a valid ID wherein your address is shown along with your name to confirm that you are a real human being on PayPal. And that is how you can basically create PayPal account.